Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool graphic that anybody could draw. Just a few, if you will take a screenshot of that right there, that's all you need. The only thing we need to do to make sure, we need to do things in thirds. So I'm going to rotate this guy 30 degrees to get that on top. I'm going to make it 21 inches wide. Okay. I'm going to control D and divide that by 3 and get 14. And then I'm going to control D and the next one's 7. That's the only really true rule. Then if you'll take your 2-point line and go from there to there, I like going from here to here, and I'm going to show you what you did. You did that. So draw that line first. I draw from here to here because that way my line is going to be on the same plane as that angle. Then draw that second line because Corel will connect those lines. Now do the same thing here and then do the same thing here. Grab the, see, we did the same thing. So draw the short line last. Go here, grab your pick tool and extend it. Then grab and make this other line. The only other line you need is going to be a cross between there and there. Now, take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. That's all you need. I would strongly suggest now you group this together. And I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to set it on that light blue. And I'm going to fill in that, and that. Then I'm going to take I'm going to pick that, I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Don't really have to, but I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to left click, right. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Then I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour to the inside 0.3. Grab this one, 0.3. Now I don't have to normally you have to break the contour apart, but we're just going to fill in this stuff and move it up. Now fill in these two, don't move them up yet. That when it's selected, get your interactive fill tool and kind of swipe up and put darkness black and make it kind of look like that. Do the same thing there. Click on that one, move it up, get your handle level, and then put darkness in that top. And try to make it about the same. Now we can move that up and move that up, and we can delete this. And remember when I said I want to group this together, and this is exactly why. I want to move that out of the way. I'm going to group that together, Control G, Control D to make a duplicate, and move the center rotation to that node. We're going to rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. That's all it took. Now, it doesn't look that good, but if you go up here and you right-click an outline, and, you know, there's hundreds of things that you could do to it to make it look different. You know, you could just completely fill in the, you know what, I like this one better, but I'm going to take this one and let's fill in the inside with black. So you get a total different look. I kind of like that. Matter of fact, I think I like it best. Anyway, I hope that helped, gave you an idea or two. So just remember, screenshot that right there. Let me check off of it and take a screenshot. This is all you need, these 3 parts. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.